Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will share you that little cute bunny keychain. You can use it as your bag keychain or your wardrobe keychain, or you can hang it on your car. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, for this project you need 1.75 crochet hook, cotton thread, one stitch marker and scissor. So let's get started. At first I'm doing that magic circle. Now in round 1 do 6 single crochet on that magic circle. Okay, here I am doing that 1 single crochet, then second single crochet, like that I'll do 6 single crochet. Okay, in this amigurumi, if you use that smaller hook size, it will be good. Now at the end I am doing that slip stitch and I am closing the round 1. Okay, now we'll start that second round. Okay, so in the second round we'll do 2 single crochet on each stitch. Here I am putting the stitch marker on the first stitch. Okay, so here I am doing that 2 single crochet, 1, then second single crochet, 2, like that. I'll do the rest of the single crochet. So at the end of that round 2 we'll get total 12 single crochet. So here that second round is finished. Now we'll start the round 3. On the first stitch I am putting the stitch marker. Okay, here in round 3 we'll do on the first stitch we'll do the 1 single crochet, then increase. Okay, means 1 single crochet, and then second stitch we'll do increase, means 2 single crochet on each stitch, 2 single crochet on one stitch. Okay, so at the end of that round 3 we'll get total 18 stitches. Now we are starting that round 4. In round 4 we'll do 2 single crochet, then increase, means first stitch we'll do 1 single crochet, on second stitch we'll do 1 single crochet, and third stitch we'll do 2 single crochet. and continue. Okay, so at the end of round 4 we will get 24 single crochet. Round 4 is finished. Now we will start round 5. On round 5 we will do 3 single crochet and increase. Means on the first single crochet, here I am doing one first single crochet on one first stitch. Here I am putting the stitch marker. Now on the second stitch we will do second single crochet. On third stitch we will do the third single crochet, and on the fourth stitch we will do 2 single crochet, means increase 1 and 2 single crochet. So like that you have to do continue. So here that round 5 finished. Now we'll start round 6. In round 6 we'll do 4 single crochet and then increase. Means like the same one. First 4 stitches we'll do 1 single crochet. Means first stitch 1 single crochet, then second stitch also 1 single crochet, third, fourth, like that the same. On 5th stitch we'll do the 2 single crochet. Here it's finished. Now we'll start round 7. So here in round 7 we'll do 5 single crochet and increase. This is also the same one. On first 5 stitches we'll do single crochet 1 1 1 1, and then on the 6th stitch we'll do 2 single crochet. So at the end of round 7 we'll get 42 single crochet. It's 42 stitches. Okay, now at the end of round 7 we'll get 42 stitches. In round 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, means 8 to 14 round we'll do 1 single crochet on each stitch, means we'll get 42 stitches. Okay, so now after 14 it's finished. Now we'll do that round 15. From round 15 we'll do decrease. Okay, so in round 15 we'll do 5 single crochet and then decrease. So 5 single crochet means on 5 stitches we'll do 1 single crochet, like the same I'm doing it. First 5 stitches we'll do single crochet, then on 6th 7th we'll take the together, like that I'm pulling the yarn, pulling the thread to, then together we'll stitch single crochet. It's not that much difficult. Okay, you can easily do it. Okay, now on round 16 we'll do 4 single crochet then decrease. So the same way I am doing decrease. As you can see, on first 4 stitches I am doing single crochet, then on 5th 6th I am taking together the thread, 1 2, and then together I am doing that single crochet. If you have any doubt on any step, you can do one thing, you can slow down the speed of the video and play. Okay, so round 16 is finished. Now I am doing round 17. In round 17 we will do 3 single crochet then decrease. The same way I am doing this. At first 3 stitches, 3 single crochet, then decrease. So at the end of round 17 we will get 24 stitches total. Okay, now round 17 is finished. Now we'll start that round 18. Okay, so in round 18 also we'll do 2 SC, means 2 single crochet and decrease. 1 2, then we'll do the decrease, 1 2, like that. So at the end of round 18 we'll get 18 stitches total. Okay, now after that also, that we'll do 1 round, and means 2 round we have to do, and then we can close that ball. Okay, so here we'll start round 19. In round 19 we'll do 1 single crochet then decrease. So at the end of round 19 we'll get total 12 stitches. After that actually we have to do one more round, that round 20. We'll do it on the next part, okay, because here we are putting the frill. You can use any type of stuff. So on the next part, means on part 2, we can see that ear, eyes and rest of the things. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can comment me on that comment section. And friends, please do share and do subscribe to get a notification. Okay, so thank you guys, have a good day.